What's up, it's John from Fedora Lifestyle, and bats are so interesting and really fun to draw, and today I'm going to show you how to draw them too. Before we get started, please subscribe for more art and drawing tutorials. Start by drawing a vertical symmetry line, which will really help when we get to the wings. Then just below halfway down, draw this shape. We'll call it the guitar pick shape. Anyway, you can use that vertical line to make sure the shape is fairly symmetrical. Then at the bottom of the guitar pick shape, draw a circle with a center line, with small ovals for eyes and a box for the open mouth. Next, draw the teardrop shaped ears from the top of the circle to the edge of the guitar pick shape. Now let's draw the basic shape of the wings. They are close to symmetrical in this reference, so take your time and measure the distance from the edge of one wing to the center line, and make sure that's the same distance for the other wing. We'll get to the wing details in a second. For now, we just want to make sure the composition is right. Now the shape of the tail is turned slightly to the right of the center line. This helps imply movement, a turning in the air. Then the right leg is made of two small lines with the small foot at the end. The left leg is just two short lines because the foot is bent backward in flight. The next part will really make the drawing pop. Take your time and draw both sides of the bat fingers, which define the sections of the wing membrane. Again, these are mostly symmetrical. Once done, make the membrane curve a bit at the end of each finger, then erase all your guidelines. Side note, think of that initial drawing as the sketch layer in Procreate. We're erasing all those sketchy lines so we can create a clean final drawing or final drawing layer on top. Now let's imagine the light's coming from straight in front of the bat. So with the side of your pencil, lightly shade most of the drawing. It doesn't need to look exactly like my drawing, just as long as the shading is really light. Next, draw a clean outline around everything. Note the broken outline around the body to give it a hairy look. Also, take your time and give the fingers crisp outlines, since these are likely your focal points. Now going back to the side of your pencil, shade a darker midtone value on the wing membrane. It's just to give it a natural visual variety. Okay, we're almost done. Next, vary your line weight on areas of interest, like thicker lines around the ears and on the top of each finger. Finally, make hatch lines or tight parallel lines on the wing membrane to give it texture. You'll see I really tried to hatch in the same direction as the fingers. And with that, you're done. Please subscribe, like, and share.